4 Phase 2 11 O2 2 Fe 2 O3 8 SO2. What is the extent of reaction if 512 grams of SO2 is produced? A1, B2, C3, D4. The correct answer is 1. CH4 2O2 CO2 2H2O. What is the extent of reaction if only 50 of 96 grams of CH4 is consumed? A1, B2, C3, D4. The correct answer is 3. H2O2 H22 H2O. If the extent of reaction is 10, how much water is produced? A 10 moles, B 20 moles, C 30 moles, D 40 moles. The correct answer is 20 moles. 1 mole of potassium permanganate and 1 mole of ferrous sulfide are reacted in presence of excess hydrochloric acid. How many moles of ferric sulfate will produce? A 10 18, B 5 18, C 1 18, D 1 36. The correct answer is 5 18. If 28 grams of N2 and 10 grams of H2 are reacted, how much NH3 will produce? A 17 grams, B 34 grams, C 51 grams, D 54 grams. The correct answer is 34 grams. N2 2O2 No 2. What is the extent of reaction if 6 moles of number 2 is produced? A 3, B 6, C 12, D 18. The correct answer is 3. 10 moles of C6H12 reacted with 18 moles of O2. How many moles of CO2 will produce? A 3, B 6, C 9, D 12. The correct answer is 12. 5 moles of L2O3 are reacted with 10 moles H2SO4. How many moles of L2SO4 will produce? A 3.33, B 10, C 30, D 33.3. The correct answer is 3.33. 10 grams of NaCl and 1.8 grams of H2O are reacted. How much sodium hydroxide will produce? A 4 grams, B 10 grams, C 40 grams, D 80 grams. The correct answer is 4 grams. What is extent of reaction of A in the reaction 2CO2 2CO2 if 20 moles CO2 is produced? A 5, B 10, C 20, D 40. The correct answer is 10. Which of the following is true about limiting reagents? A consumes completely, B consumes partially, C does not react, D none of the mentioned. The correct answer is consumes completely. Which of the following is true about excess reagents? A consumes completely, B consumes partially, C does not react, D none of the mentioned. The correct answer is consumes partially. 2 moles of N2 and 8 moles of H2 are reacted, then what type of reactant N2 is? A limiting reagent, B excess reagent, C can T say, D none of the mentioned. The correct answer is limiting reagent. 4 moles of CH4 and 4 moles of O2 are reacted, then what type of reactant CH4 is? A limiting reagent, B excess reagent, C can T say, D none of the mentioned. The correct answer is excess reagent. 4 moles of CO and 2 moles of O2 are reacted, then what type of reactant O2 is? A limiting reagent, B excess reagent, C can T say, D none of the mentioned. The correct answer is none of the mentioned.